All right, good day. It's a nice little Saturday. We're here at the trailhead in Tesuque, New Mexico. Got my boy Danny here. We're gonna ride up the Windsor Trail and see how far up we get and then ride it down. So I'm probably not gonna take a lot of footage on the way up. We'll save all the footage for the fast and flowy and stream crossings on the way down. All right, let's get after it. All right, me and Danny made it up to the ski area. So we're chilling next to the creek and having a little bit of a snack and summit beers, even though we're not technically on the summit, I guess. I think it's good enough. It's our summit, so we're gonna, yeah, it's good enough for us. We're gonna have a little beer and snack, and then we're only halfway done. We've done about 10.8 miles, you said, and 3,750 feet of gain, so almost 4,000 feet of ascent. So feeling pretty tired, but overall pretty good considering the gain that we've done. So we'll check back in once we probably cheers our summit beers or something. What do we got here? We've got, what is yours called?
The most interesting lager in the world.
The most interesting lager in the world.
Ex Novo. By
Ex Novo, and I'm just drinking my standard Modus Operandi IPA from Ska Brewing. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Get you cracking yours open.
Oh yeah.
Nice. That's good. And I'll crack mine open.
Yeah. That's 4,000 feet good.
4,000 feet of vert good. Oh! Mine got shook up a little bit. All right, cheers, man.
Cheers.
All right. So Danny and I were just talking, and I think that bringing this water filter was one of the most clutch things we did on this trip here, because it was so nice to filter some water and not have to carry excess water up the hill that we're just gonna have to go down. So we're packing up now and we're getting ready to head on down. Just, you know, doing a little road riding for good measure. Woo. Yeah, that Modus Operandi just kicked in. Maybe for a second. Trying to take it a little easy here. It's pretty steep. This whole part of the trail we went up, and now we get to go down it. Yeah! All right, Checo Canyon Road. card's loose. I guess I'm not taking the best line though. I may ride this one. Oh, and this one. This is very windy. Nice little bath. Do it, do it, do it! Oh! No worries.
I took the wrong line.
Just ringing my bell because there's some hikers. Thank you. Have a good one. That was great, dude. Had a little bit of buyer's remorse there. Because when you stuttered, I was like, oh shit, maybe it's like something worth, worrying about.
No, but it actually, well, it looked like it was going to be, but it's like a ramp.
Yeah, it's just a ramp.
That'll be good for the video.
Yeah, this nice little, me straddling the tree.
The little ramp.
Oh yeah, that's good. Thought you were referring to me straddling this tree making old man noises.
Yeah, that too.
Ooh. Oh. Oh.
To 2 times harder.
Yeah. Oh, really? Yeah, for sure.
If it's a fire road, then it's not too much different. Maybe 1.2.
Yeah. Yeah, this is like, that's the official trailhead.
Oh yeah, okay, now I remember this.
And I think this is all like that easement, like, stuff.
Okay, so we're good.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, I hope they have a nice summer ale or something. That's kind of what I'm feeling. Oh, ouch. Maybe I should have just gone over the railroad tie. Back to the trailhead.
Well, we're not going to hit 4,000.
No?
We're 70 feet short.
Should we turn around or something?
Nah.
Damn, that dog wanted my nutsack.
Yeah, he did.
All right.
Good work.
So what are our stats?
5 hours 55, basically 4,000 feet of gain. We're tens of feet short. 21, I think it was 21.4 miles.
21.4 miles. Cool.
21 point something. And I kept it rolling the whole time. I didn't stop it at the top. So it's
Nice.
5:55 with the break.
5:55 hour, like 5 hours 55 minutes.
Yeah, with the break. But it only took us, let's see, a little over an hour to descend.
An hour of descent.
I'd say an hour and call it 10 minutes, hour and 5.
Nice.
That's counting this part.
Yeah, it's not bad. So, but Danny, what time is it?
Beer 30.
Yeah, for sure.
Woo!